Tonight, new information released highlighting the growing problem plaguing long-term care facilities across the state.
And we're getting a closer look at just how many residents and staff are infected with COVID-19 at those facilities. And we're seeing some really high numbers. Local 10's Terrell Fournet live now in Wilton Manors with the breakdown for us tonight. Terrell.
And this really raises eyebrows because this really is the most vulnerable section of our population, senior citizens. But it's not just because of their age, but how they live inside of facilities like these. And as these numbers prove, it really doesn't take much for this virus to spread inside. The Manor Pines Convalescent Center in Wilton Manors is home to 50 residents who have tested positive for COVID-19. Another 26 staff members here have also contracted the virus, making it the hardest hit long-term care facility in Broward County, according to state records. The novel coronavirus also sweeping through Atria Willowwood in Fort Lauderdale, where 25 residents have come down with the virus and one staff member. Another hotspot, the court at Palm Air in Pompano Beach. A total of 23 residents are either in isolation or recovering in hospitals from COVID-19. 11 employees at the same center have also tested positive, a problem highlighted by experts earlier this month.
The lockdown of the facilities, the patients aren't getting out. So if they're bringing COVID into the facility, it has to be through the staff.
Statewide, more than 3,300 people tied to long-term care facilities have confirmed cases, and a third of that number are staff members. In fact, at the Miami Jewish Health System, where 52 residents have been hit by the virus, 41 employees have also tested positive. Just over a dozen patients remain in isolation here, as the bulk of the sickened residents were transferred to area hospitals. Fountain Manor and Health is also a hotspot. 38 residents and 10 employees came down with the virus, and an even greater number at Unity Health and Rehab Center in Miami-Dade, where 49 residents and 11 employees have tested positive. And finally, one of the largest swaths of confirmed cases among patients is being reported at the North Dade Nursing and Rehabilitation Center. A whopping 54 residents contracted the virus, along with 3 employees. And we have reached out to a number of these homes, including Manor Pines, tonight for comment. So far, they have not yet gotten back to us, but we know that visitations at most of these places have been restricted, and there are a number of cleaning and screening protocols that are in play, especially for employees. Reporting live from Wilton Manors tonight, I'm Terrell Fournet, Local 10 News.